This remodeled townhome features fresh paint and loads of updates, including new light fixtures, microwave, cabinet pulls and water fixtures. Additional features include solid 6-panel doors, an open floor plan with hickory wood floors in the living room, hallway, primary bedroom, and slate floors in the kitchen and dining area. Kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, a large peninsula, ample cabinets and countertops, plus an added pantry which was created when the divider wall from the kitchen to the living room was removed. Primary suite closet built-ins give you sophisticated storage. Main level bath remodeled with new vanity, shower and tile. Enjoy the unique south-facing sunroom which leads to the maintenance-free 10*x10 deck. Get cozy in the lower level with heated tile floors and gas fireplace. Lower level flows out to the 10*x20 concrete patio large enough to spread out living space outdoors. All this plus your own inground sprinkler system and a heated garage.